In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved articles on Seeking Alpha. If you've ever saved a great piece of analysis to read later and then couldn't remember where it went, this walkthrough will make it effortless. By the end, you'll know exactly where your saved content lives and how to get to it quickly every time. First, make sure you're logged in to your Seeking Alpha account. Open Seeking Alpha in your web browser, look for the Sign In option, and enter your credentials. If you use more than one account, verify you're in the right one so your saved items appear as expected. If the site loads but looks limited, or you don't recognize the watch list, that's a clue you might not be signed in. A quick refresh after logging in helps the site pull in your personalized data. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon. This may appear as your initials, a small avatar, or a generic user silhouette. That icon is your gateway to all your personal settings and saved items. Click it to open the drop-down menu. If the menu doesn't open right away, give it a second, or try clicking slightly below the icon. Sometimes, the clickable area is small depending on your browser zoom. In the drop-down menu, look for Saved Articles and select it. This takes you straight to the full list of everything you've saved. Here, you'll typically see article titles, authors, and timestamps so you can quickly recall why you saved each one. You can open any article in a new tab if you want to keep your list visible while you read. If you've saved a lot over time, scan the titles and publication dates to spot what's most relevant today. Depending on current site features, you may also see sorting or filtering options on the page. Use those to organize by date or other available criteria to find what you need faster. If you don't see saved articles in the dropdown, double-check that you're logged in, then refresh the page. Interface layouts can vary slightly across updates, so look carefully through the menu options. Disabling aggressive browser extensions for a moment can also help if elements aren't appearing. That's it. Log in, click your profile icon at the top right, and choose Saved Articles to view everything you've saved. For quick access later, consider bookmarking the Saved Articles page once you're there. Thanks for watching, and happy reading on Seeking Alpha.